Hi, welcome to the LiveCompare Studio Schedule Workflow Run video. Let's schedule Workflow 107 to run on a weekly basis. Right-click on your workflow and choose Schedule Run. Now, there are some options here for scheduling. You can schedule for a one-time run. You can select daily, weekly, or monthly. So let's do weekly every Monday morning. And you can see today's date is actually already selected too. So I want to uncheck Friday and I want to run it at midnight every Monday. And then next I'll click Schedule Run. So now this workload was scheduled to run every Monday, and I can see all my scheduled workflows by clicking on Process Runs. And I can see here that my 107 workflow is scheduled to run weekly under the Scheduled Info column. And it tells me a little bit about the information, that it's at midnight on Monday. If you have a lot of workload sitting in Process Runs, you can sort by your scheduled info, so you can see all of your scheduled ones first. When the workflow is in the scheduled mode, you cannot make any changes. So for example, if I want to change this date up here, you can see that it's locked. I can't make any changes. And there's this blue icon here that notifies you that it's scheduled. So if you want to make a change, you first have to right-click on it, select Scheduled Run, and Unschedule. Now, when I go into my workflow, I can change the date, quick save, and reschedule the workflow to run. Okay, thanks for watching.